Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our Reeborg's world, and in this video we're going to do home 3 because the home 2 is way too easy for us. Yep, so all you gotta do is just move. Okay, now first of all let's read the world info. We have to move, then turn left. Reeborg wants to go home. So okay, to do that we have to once move, twice move, and then turn left. No, dude. Again move, then turn left, and then again move. Let's check it if it is correct. Yep, Reeborg is at the correct X position and Reeborg is at the Y position. Thank you, and see you in the next video where we'll do home 4 that is way much harder than this. See you, bye bye.